Hey, nobody ever talks about this, but packing for a cruise after the age of 40, it hits totally different. You know, I used to pack trends. Now I pack pieces that actually flatter, they travel easily, and they make me feel confident without overthinking every single outfit. So for St. Thomas and San Juan, I ordered an entire warm weather wardrobe from Amazon. Brand new dresses, swimsuits, easy outfits, you know. I wanted to see what actually works for real women like us. So if you're over 40 or 50 and trying to build a vacation wardrobe that feels effortless, still beautiful, I'm unpacking everything with you. If you love the idea of wearing white but usually avoid it because it feels a little too revealing, this one completely changed my mind. And honestly, I thought I was going to return it when I ordered it, but the second I tried it on, I knew it was staying. I'm planning to wear it to the white out party on the cruise, but it's also one of those pieces I'll reach for all summer long. What I love most is the balance. The long sleeves give coverage on the arms, which y'all know is something I personally appreciate after this big body change I'm just going through. But the open shoulder detail still gives just enough allure to feel feminine and confident. It doesn't feel matronly at all. The ruching is incredibly flattering and forgiving. It smooths, it drapes, and it works with your body instead of against it. This is the kind of dress that lets you feel put together without feeling exposed. It's elegant, comfortable, and surprisingly wearable for so many occasions. Not everything I order ends up being a keeper, and I always want to be honest about that because, you know, fit really does matter. I absolutely loved the color combination on this one. I liked that it has detachable straps so you can switch from strapless or halter, but for me, the fit just wasn't right. You see, I have a shorter torso and not a lot of fullness through the back, if you know what I mean. This suit seemed designed for someone with more length through the body and more curves in the rear end. So I ended up going ahead and returning it. That being said, if you have a longer torso and more shape through the hips and backside, this could actually be a really beautiful option. Sometimes it's not about the suit being wrong, it's just about finding the right body match. So I do hope somebody loves this swimsuit as much as I did. Well, I loved the color of it. If you love easy summer outfits but hate having to think about matching pieces, this romper makes getting dressed so simple. I bought this for daytime wear, walking around, casual outings, and warm summer days, and the pink color, y'all, it's just really happy and flattering. It's a one-piece shorts romper, so it gives you that pull-together look without any effort. Now, full honesty, this is one of those pieces you have to take completely off to go to the bathroom, but it's so cute. So it's worth it. This fit is comfortable, it doesn't feel restrictive, and it stays easy to wear even when you're moving around all day long. This is one of those throw on and go outfits that still feels fun and intentional, which is exactly what I want in the spring and summer. This dress has quickly become one of those easy pieces that make getting ready feel effortless. And y'all know this green color was the first one that caught my attention because it has a really fresh, kind of relaxed feel without being loud or trendy, you know? What I really love about this design is how forgiving the shape is. This tie front gives you just enough definition so it doesn't hang straight down, but it still keeps that comfortable, casual silhouette that works for real life, especially on those vacation days when you want to look pulled together without thinking too hard about it. The fabric has this stretch, which I love, and makes a huge difference when you're traveling. And yes, it's got pockets, which always makes me happy because I don't want to carry everything when I'm just running out quickly. The green version feels very versatile to me. I can see it as a daytime cruise outfit, something to throw on over a swimsuit, or even paired with a simple accessory for dinner in a relaxed setting. I'm wearing a size small, and it feels like it fits true without being clingy. I know I'm going to live in this all summer long. You know, some swimsuits don't just fit, they create the illusion. This swimsuit is all about visual magic. magic. The black and white contrast instantly draws the eye in and creates the look of a more defined waist and balanced proportions. It's incredibly flattering on so many body types. The tummy control smooths everything out without feeling tight and restrictive, and the structure of the suit holds you in just enough to feel confident but not uncomfortable. This is the kind of suit that makes you stand a little taller because you feel good in it. It's bold without being loud, sexy without being too much, and flattering in a way that feels, my word, intentional. Now, this is the dress you throw on when you don't want to think about it, but you still want to look put together. This is one of those easy summer dresses that ends up getting worn way more than you expect. It's casual, it's comfortable, and it just works, especially on a cruise. If you've ever needed something quick to run to the Lido deck for food, grab a coffee, or walk around the ship in the morning, this is that dress. It's lightweight, it's soft, it feels more like your favorite t-shirt than a dress, but it still looks, my word today, intentional. The V-neck is flattering without being low. The tie waist gives you shape without clinging. I love that it skims the body instead of hugging it, so you feel relaxed, not restricted. And of course, pockets, which makes it more practical for travel days, casual mornings, and quick errands once you're back at home. This is the kind of dress you pack because it takes up no space, works in multiple settings, and makes getting dressed easy. Whether you're on a cruise or just living real life, you're going to love this one. I know I do. Okay, y'all, this is the same dress style I showed earlier, but this black cube version has a completely different personality. The color blocking with the black bottom and the black and white striped top give it a more styled, put together look without losing that comfortable t-shirt dress feel. What I love about this one is that the darker bottom creates a very streamlined silhouette, while the stripe detail on the top draws attention upward, so it feels a little more elevated compared to the solid colors. If you're someone who wants easy but still wants to look polished, this is possibly the version I would reach for first. The tie front lets you customize the shape depending on how fitted you want it, and the stretch in the fabric makes it practical for travel days or walking around the ship, without feeling restricted. I'm wearing a size small in this one. It fits true while still leaving room to move comfortably. For me, this is the one I'd wear when I want something casual but slightly more styled, maybe dinner on the cruise, exploring the port, or anytime I want to look intentional without trying too hard. Now, if you're tired of layering bras and tanks just to feel comfortable during the day, this top is a lifesaver. This is one of those pieces I already own in multiple colors because it's just that good. It has a built-in bra, so it gives support without feeling restrictive, and it's comfortable enough to wear all day, whether I'm on a cruise, running around, or just spending time with my grandkids. I love it so much that I had to add this red one for this cruise trip because it instantly feels fresh and fun for spring and summer. This is the kind of top you throw on and go. No extra layers, no fussing, no adjusting all day long. It works with shorts, jeans, skirts, you name it, you can wear it. For daytime comfort and simplicity, this one earns its spot every single time. If you've been avoiding fitted dresses because they show every bit of texture or skin looseness, this one is such a win. This dress completely surprised me, especially for the price. The ruching is incredibly forgiving and does such a good job of smoothing and camouflaging areas that can feel more noticeable after big body changes. It gives shape without clinging, which is exactly what I want and need right now. I love this for nights on the cruise, dinners, shows, just walking around the ship, and honestly, the price point is kind of unbelievable for how flattering it is. This is one of those pieces that makes you feel comfortable walking out the door, which is exactly what I'm looking for. Now, wait until you see how elegant a white swimsuit can actually look. White swimsuits can feel intimidating, but this one completely changed my my mind. The first thing you notice is how clean, classic, and polished it looks. This is the kind of swimsuit that instantly feels more resort than pool day. The neckline is incredibly flattering and gives just the right amount of lift without feeling overdone. Everything feels secure, smooth, and comfortable, which is exactly what you want when you're walking around a cruise deck or spending the day by the water. What I really love is the full coverage design. It gives you confidence to move, sit, and walk without constantly adjusting. And the silhouette, y'all, it stays timeless instead of just trendy. This suit feels intentional. It's not loud. It's not flashy. It's elegant. If you've ever wanted a swimsuit that feels sophisticated, flattering, and age-appropriate without feeling boring, this one absolutely delivers. The first thing that caught my eye with this suit was the pop of color. That neon trim at the waist and along the neckline gives it such a fun, playful energy without being over the top. It instantly makes the whole design feel lively and a little unexpected. I love the strapless shape because it stays surprisingly secure, which is something I'm always cautious about. And the little bow detail down there on the skirt adds just enough personality without feeling childish. It gives the look of a soft, feminine touch while still keeping everything balanced. Because it's designed like a swim dress, you get that extra movement and coverage that feels easy to wear when you're walking around instead of just sitting by the pool. The waist detail also helps create shape, and it doesn't feel flat or shapeless. This bright blue color is so happy. Perfect for vacation photos. Y'all know what I'm talking about. And overall, it just feels like a piece you reach for when you want something fun, flattering, and a little different from a basic one-piece swimsuit. I am in love with this color. This is one of the dresses that combines comfort and function in a way that just makes sense, especially when you're traveling or staying active during the day. This is one of those Quinson athletic dresses. I chose it in this beautiful blue glass color because it feels soft, fresh, really flattering without being too bright. What makes this one different from the regular dress is those built-in shorts underneath. That gives you coverage and confidence whether you're walking around the ship, exploring a port, or just moving through your day without worrying about adjusting anything. The fabric, it has a really nice stretch because of the nylon and the spandex blend, so it moves with you instead of feeling really stiff. And I appreciate that it's a simple pull-on design. No zippers, no fuss, just easy throw on and go. Y'all, I'm wearing a size small. The fit feels really supportive without feeling restrictive. For me, this is one of those outfits that looks sporty, but still feels feminine, and it's perfect for days when you want to stay comfortable, but still look put together. Okay, stop scrolling if you want one dress that makes every vacation outfit look intentional without trying too hard. When you're packing for warm weather, you want something that feels effortless, but still looks like you planned it. The halter neckline gives you just enough structure to flatter your shoulders, but it still moves with you when you walk. That's important when you're exploring, sightseeing, or heading into dinner. Look at how the A-line silhouette gently skims the waist and flows over the hips. It's comfortable without feeling shapeless. This is one of those dresses you can wear with sandals during the day and then switch to wedges or espadrilles for sunset cocktails or dinner. The floral print feels timeless, yet perfectly summer ready. It's vacation in a dress. It's lightweight, it packs really well, and you don't have to worry about it wrinkling in your suitcase. Versatile, flattering, and just plain easy. Y'all, this swimsuit is proof that a one-piece can still feel modern without trying to look like something made for a 20-year-old. The cut on this suit really surprised me. V neckline gives shape without feeling too revealing, and the ruching, is that the way you say that? Ruching through the middle helps create a smoother look without feeling stiff or heavy. I chose this solid brown because it feels rich and a little unexpected compared to a basic black. The small cutout detail adds interest without making it feel overexposed, which is something I always look for. Y'all know I'm in a size small. The fit feels secure enough that I don't feel like I need to constantly adjust anything. This is the kind of swimsuit I'd reach for, when I want to feel confident walking walking around the pool deck or heading straight from the water to lunch without changing, you ought to pick this one up now. I have never owned a swimsuit like this one, and that's exactly why I bought it. This set stopped me in my tracks because it doesn't look like a typical swimsuit at all. The black color keeps it elegant, but the 3D floral detail gives it this soft and feminine, almost boutique feel that you just don't see often in swimwear. What I love about this being a 3-piece set is the flexibility. I can wear it together for a full styled look or mix and match depending on what I'm doing. The strapless tankini top feels structured and secure, and the matching skirt adds coverage while still feeling playful and flattering. This is the kind of swimsuit that looks just as good walking around a resort or a cruise deck as it does by the pool. It feels more like an outfit than just swimwear, which is why I think it's going to be such a hit. It's unique, it's feminine, and it feels special without being over the top. If you love finding pieces that don't look like everyone else's, this one is a standout. Grab it now. This dress is one of those pieces that just makes getting dressed feel simple. And y'all, this blue floral version immediately felt feminine without being overly busy or complicated. I love the V neckline. It opens up in a very flattering way, especially if you like something that feels a little lighter, more relaxed than a crew neck. The tie waist gives you control over the shape, so you can wear it looser for comfort or cinch it tightly if you want slightly more definition. The fabric has stretch, which makes it really practical for travel days, long walks on a cruise ship, or just staying comfortable while still looking put together. And yes, it has pockets, which always makes me happy, as you know, because I don't want to carry a bag when I don't have to. What I appreciate about this dress is how many options there are in the style. There are different colors and different patterns, but this floral one feels especially fresh and easy to wear. It's something I could see as a daytime outfit, a swimsuit cover-up, or even styled with some accessories for a casual dinner. For me, y'all, this is one of those pieces that feels easy, comfortable, and quite flattering without trying too hard. Okay, y'all, here is a swimsuit that actually makes you feel confident without sacrificing style. When I'm picking a swimsuit for a cruise, a beach day, or a resort pool, there are 2 things I look for. Comfort you forget you're wearing, and confidence you feel wearing it. That's exactly what this one piece delivers. First, the color block design is so flattering. It visually slims and shapes in all the right places without being too bold or trendy. This halter neckline gives you just enough lift and support, and the built-in tummy control smooths without squeezing. But what really sold me? The skirted bottom. It gives you coverage where you want it, and it still feels fun, feminine, and flattering. The cutout detail adds a little modern edge, but the overall silhouette stays classic. So if you want a swimsuit that feels good, looks good, and keeps you confident, this one is a strong pick. I wasn't expecting to love this one as much as I do, but the minute I put it on, I felt completely different from a basic tank. The cowl neck shape gives it a soft drape across the front that makes it feel just a little more elevated without being, fussy. And this chocolate brown color, I don't have to tell you, it is such a rich tone. It feels current without looking trendy in a way that's going to go out of style next season. It's one of those shades that just works with everything and instantly makes an outfit look more intentional. This satin fabric has that smooth finish that moves when you walk, which catches the light, and it makes it great for evenings or anytime you want something that feels slightly dressed up without committing to a full dressy outfit. Yes, you could wear it under a blazer. It would be so cute like that. But honestly, I like letting it stand on its own because the neckline really is the focal point. It's flattering, it's simple, and it gives you that polished look without trying too terribly hard. After months of trying to order this specific dress and having it canceled over and over again, I finally got my hands on it, and now I understand why it keeps selling out. The shape is simple, but the way it sits on the body makes it feel effortless and fun at the same time. The strapless tube style gives it a relaxed beach vibe, and the drawstring waist lets you adjust how fitted or relaxed you want it depending on your mood. I chose this black, it's called JC floral print, because it feels bold without being loud, and it works easily with my sandals, my sneakers, or even just barefoot walking around the sand. This fabric has stretch, it moves easily and doesn't feel stiff, which makes it a big difference when you're packing pieces that need to work all day long. And yes, you know me, pockets, which always makes things better. What I like most is that it feels playful without looking young or trendy in a way that won't last. It's easy to throw on over a swimsuit or wear by itself when you want something completely comfortable but still looks pulled together. I really wanted this dress. I'm glad it finally came in. These outfits delivered, minus that one swimsuit that wasn't for my body type. The rest are linked for you below. They're incredible Amazon finds for spring and summer, even if you're not cruising.